Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today, as you know, we have a US election. We have a Trump and Kamala Harris, where we can see one of the most uncertainty elections ever. So we are waiting to see what will happen, but I will not talk about politics. I will talk about trading and how we can trade during the election. Now we are watching S&P 500 chart. So I will back in the past to see how market performed. First, we're going into the year 2012. So we're watching November month, and there is something very interesting there. So as we can see, the whole October month was bearish, and then in the beginning of November, during the election, we saw a bearish trend. That bearish trend lasts up to the middle of the November, and on the November 15, we started a strong bullish trend. So from the price 1,352, we have, as you can see, several months strong bullish trend. One of the strongest trends I ever seen. Then we can do the same thing in 2016. During that election, we had interesting way because Trump was elected then, and as you can see, on November 9, we got a strong bullish candle, and after that, we had a bullish trend at the end of the year and the first month of the January. So as you can see, in both cases, we had a strong bullish trend from the middle of November. And this is very interesting. I tested 20 years in the past, and every single time I can see that 6 weeks, the last 6 weeks in the year was really strong bullish trend after the election. Now we can watch again a 2020 year, and as you can see here, just the beginning of November, we started with a bullish trend, and we had continuation several months after that. Now we can see S&P 500 today. So what we have right now is a bullish candle yesterday, and now we are waiting to see what will happen. There is two possibilities here. The one possibility is to have couple bearish days in the middle till the middle of the November, and then strong push up, or to have a strong push up just after the first night of the election. So we need to be cautious here. What I would like to watch here is this trend line relative strength index. I want to see the breakout here, and when we see the breakout, that can be very interesting, and maybe I will have some long-term trade, like some long to medium time trade, maybe 6 to 10 weeks, and to try to see what will happen in that case. Now we are going to see the currencies. When we show the currencies, the best thing that we can see right now is that on November 2020, we have a bullish trend, and that trend switch on November 2020, and after that we have a several weeks the same thing as we had at stocks. However, I went and checked, for example, the November month, the same thing for the British pound dollar, a strong bullish trend. However, I checked in the past 20 years, and there is a little bit mixed situation. Sometimes bullish, sometimes bearish. What I can see is that it's hard to predict for currencies, not easily to predict. But if we see the strong stocks, we can see the US dollar will be a little bit weaker, and because of that, the British pound dollar, the euro dollar is stronger. So there is a 70% of the cases we can see the strong bullish trend in the last 6 to 8 weeks of the year. And again, on the end, I just want to watch today. This is British pound dollar. Right now, we are starting to create a bullish trend. Today, the day is bullish. We can see the relative strength index, for example, on daily chart, that we have some kind of the breakout now, as you can see right now, and maybe in the next weeks we can see maybe 1.34 level again, but we will see and check what can happen. So during the election, I prefer to buy indices because it's interesting for me at least 6 weeks at the end of the year, and then maybe to build a little bit cautious positions on the daily level for euro dollar and British pound dollar. So this is it. I wish you a great day and bye bye.